Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. Hope you guys all had a very nice Thursday. And you know what comes after Thursday? A Friday. Oh yeah, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy this Friday. This weekend I've got some work to do, so it's not gonna be all relaxy, loosey goosey. Um, much of a weekend, but oh, well, it is what it is, and just take it one day at a time. Oh man. Ooh. And this pack, oh my goodness. This pack just does not want to open nice. So, haha. I triumph. So, let's see. Let's see what we get today. And yesterday, we looked it up. It was Chilling Rain, the English set that this is part of when it comes out in English. So get hyped. See when that comes out. So we start off today with a Porygon. Check it out in like a little laboratory thing going on there. That's kind of cool. It's cool. And a deerling. Yeah, it is a deerling. Oh, but don't they have? They've got a what do you call 'em? Different forms too, right? I'm not sure if this is the spring one or the winter one, or maybe it's just the sauce book that's got the forms. Hey, we got a repeat already. The Galarian Slowpoke. That's okay. That's cool. It's adorable. His little leg up. Alright. The uncommon of the day is. Ooh. Single strike. What the hey? This is totally the same pack as yesterday. Pretty sure we had the reboot. What the heck? That's okay. See, we mix it up real good. Okay. Hopefully we don't get the Galarian Slowking. Let's see. See. Oh, it is a rare though. Oh my goodness, it's a rare. It's another rare. Don't be dark. If it's dark, this is gonna be wild. Okay, it's not dark. What is that? It's grass. In Japanese, it says Zarudo. Zarude? Hey! Look at that. One of those. Is it mythical? Legendary? I forget what kind of Pokemon it is, but it's one of those special ones. There we go. Sorry, I had to focus. All right, got ourselves another rare, 2 in a row. Oh, we got another one of those boxes where we just get hits, all the hits in the beginning. But that's okay. Rares are not too bad. It'd be if we get like all of our double and triple rares and all in the beginning, then that'd be kind of anticlimactic kind of deal. All right, let's see what we get today. We have the Deerling in the beginning, which is number 5, which belongs right here. Deerling, very nice. And I'm pretty sure we have quite a few repeats here. We got the reboot. Got the Slowpoke. And the Porygon is number 52. Karen is number 48, so 49, 50, 51, 52, right over here in the corner. There it goes. Ta-da! And Zarude is actually number 10, which means he's going up here in the corner. On the same page as the reboot. Oh, and you can see our Galarian Slowking. Alright. Well, there we go. That's our binder. And that's our daily pack for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. I almost got baited. I thought for sure we get another Galarian Slowking. Alright, see you back here tomorrow for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. Hope you guys have a wonderful Friday, and I will see you guys next time.